My niggas like a marching band, no way we get to stepping. Until all my dogs rich, it ain't no way you'll see me flexing. I'm just trying to be top 3, just gotta eat, won't ask for seconds. But I got problems coming in 4 different ways like intersections. So I've been staying out the way, just trying to get to some paper, and I can't even.
What's up, YouTube? Shabby coming at you with another video, and I'm talking fast because I just sent my little sister in a store to get us some. Bless you. I just sent my little sister in the store to get us some woods, but we finna go to the car wash after this, and I'm gonna let the window down on her bitch ass. Hopefully she give us a good reaction. I wasn't trying to make this no prank page because I'm not really into that, but we gotta spice it up, try new stuff. Y'all, she was calling me. But okay, so when we walked at the house, I'm damn, my car dirty. He got pollen all over it. So I told her we finna run through the drive-thru or whatever. So hopefully we get a good reaction. If I do this and wear my damn car up for no reason, I'm gonna be drove. We finna see though. No. She should be finna bring her stinking ass up out of there. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Say you love me.
Daddy, mama.
Boy.
Mama yummy.
Yep.
Mama yummy.
Yep.
Mama yummy.
Yep. Damn, Kamari. What is she doing? Oh no.
No.
Here she go. Ugly ass.
What this I want to talk all day and shit. I want to beat this bitch up.
Where the wood?
Huh?
Where the wood?
They my purse.
Mama was so good.
Damn, how that song go? Russian cream like Kegla. Sing, you got 5 seconds.
I'm so
5,
clean,
4.
so clean.
Oh, you failed.
They didn't have no suckers.
Oh, he did. He said, I'm so fresh and so clean. Yeah.
What the business is. Right now I can't explain what the feeling is. We hold it down when this shit ends.
My girl putting this on the teeth. Killing all the rats. I'm robbing all the robbers. I'm real shit. Make that ass clap.
Bro, every time I do something like this, they do not want to take my money. All bills ain't straight. Take the 10. Ugh. Let me get my ass. I wanna please your body.
Want to please her body.
Yeah.
Where are you down there?
In the car wash.
What's happening?
What's happening?
In the car wash. The car getting clean. Look, East.
Come on. Say I want.
Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro.
Y'all, look at my car. Oh my God.
You away from this bitch. Trying to prank and shit.
What you gotta say for yourself? Hey, you move fast. Look at my roof. Look at my roof. You ain't even gonna save your phone. Y'all, she's so droll. She don't even want to vacuum the car, guys. Trying to build a case. Or fight a case. Or light the case, whatever he said. Make that ass clap.
I'm gonna get shot back, y'all.
No.
Today, but it's gonna be soon. So.
This is not that. You ain't even
Y'all gonna have
wet.
to tune in to me because I don't even have no YouTube. I'm still gonna get her ass.
Look, tune into her Instagram story.
God, because I'm gonna get her ass back. Real good.
Cause we are sisters. We stay together. We make a one big family. We don't look the same. Oh God. It's alright. Ease. You seen the water flying everywhere?
Yes.
It was crazy, huh?
Yeah. It rained.
It rained all over you?
Yeah, rained all over my leg.
It was on your leg. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to get you. I was really trying to get her.
Get her.
Yeah, get her.
No.
Okay. What you say, Ease? I can't hear you. What you say?
You got one camera now, you don't want to say
Yeah, he gonna say something. Don't give my Kamari no more. Boy, I should have let them little twisty things come in here and smack your ass.
No, we was already scared when the bitch started.
Oh God. Both of y'all was back there screaming.
Because you know you did wrong.
Hey, this prank is short and to the point. I ain't doing no 30-minute pranks. I know y'all be wanting them long ass videos. But if you like stuff like that and you think I should do more stuff like that, put it in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for another video. And I'm at this hoe.